Come back at you with another update on the McGaughy 7-inch lift. The install is complete. So we have the full rear kit on there as well now. With the 4-link drop. We got the extended link for the auto ride system. We got our track bar bracket, our new coil springs in the rear, the bump stop extensions. We've got the shock extensions in the rear since we are still using the air ride suspension. Oh man, this thing is sweet looking. We've got the 20 by 12 fuel cleavers with the fuel MT tires. Now these are a -44 offset on this rim. And the trimming that we had to do, we only had to do a little bit of trimming on the front valence down here, as you can see, on both sides. But since we stayed with a 35 instead of going to a 37, then we didn't have to do much additional trimming. But man, check this thing out. This is sweet. So we've got the nice silver lift kit from McGaughy's suspension. It goes very nicely with the silver trim and door handles on the outside of the truck. Man, and it's got these factory fold out steps on there. Those are pretty nice.